One herb that has been revered by ancient cultures for its healing powers is yarrow. It is said that the great warrior Achilles used this herb to treat his soldiers on the battlefield, hence its name, Achillea mellifolium. But it is one thing to know about a herb and its many uses, and another to actually be able to identify it. Going over the internet, hoping that you will be able to identify it. I have been there. But in this video, we are breaking down the things that identify yarrow and talk about its benefits. There are key things that we look for when we are identifying any particular herb. We look at the leaves, we look at the stem, we look at the flowers, the seeds, if any. In this case, we are going to start with the leaves. When you look at yarrow leaves, they have a fan-like appearance. Each leaf is made of numerous linear segments, giving it a feathery texture. The leaves are generally smooth to the touch, with a subtle waxy coating that enhances their resilience to harsh environmental conditions. When you crush the leaves between your fingers, they release a scent that resembles that of camphor or sage. The flowers of yarrow stand out in any garden. No wonder they attract pollinators to any garden space. These flowers grow in tight clusters on the tall stems of the yarrow plant, and they come in a variety of colors. They can be white, yellow, pink, or red. There are numerous tiny florets densely packed together to form a cluster. Yarrow possesses a wide range of benefits, very wide indeed. The flowers, the leaves, the roots, generally the whole plant can be used for medicinal purposes. Yarrow is a very effective herb for arresting bleeding, both external and internal. It is also good for wounds by knives or sharp objects. Topical application provides relief from cuts, scratches, ulcers, and sores. Yarrow has antiseptic properties and prevents infections. That is why it is good for wounds and reduces pain that are related to it. It increases blood circulation to the skin. It regulates blood pressure. It is a uterine tonic. It regulates menstrual cycles. Before we go on, I would like to mention that I am not a medical doctor, and the information I give here is based on my personal experience in the use of this plant and my personal research. So do your research before you use any plant. Yarrow is one of those herbs that can be taken by people of all ages, from the young ones to the old ones. It is anti-inflammatory, it is a diuretic, it's antipyretic. It's one of those herbs I personally include in babies' herbal baths in general, but also in times of flu or fevers, I use it a lot. You can make a tea of either fresh or dry leaves out of yarrow. You can make a tincture and herbal syrups using yarrow. You can also use it in salves and skin products. It can be used with many different other herbs because yarrow promotes synergy. Like when you put it with another herb, it causes that herb to work better. The list of the benefits of yarrow go on and on. If you have any spot in your garden, I encourage you to plant this wonderful herb. If you've enjoyed this information, please subscribe, give us a like, and comment in the comment section below. Until next video, stay healthy and God bless you.